Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what is considered one of the best coffee pots available for replacement, the Mr. Coffee 12-Cup Replacement Carafe. If you own a Mr. Coffee 12-Cup machine and need a reliable replacement carafe, this product might just be the perfect fit for you. This replacement carafe is designed specifically to fit Mr. Coffee models from the LMX, TP, MMX, and MSX series, making it a versatile choice for many coffee lovers. It is crafted from durable glass with a sturdy black handle that provides an ergonomic grip, making pouring smooth and comfortable. One of the standout features is its easy pour spout that prevents messy spills, ensuring your coffee flows exactly where you want it. The carafe holds up to 12 cups of coffee, making it ideal for households or offices where multiple servings are needed. It also has convenient cup markings on the side, which makes measuring and tracking your coffee levels effortless. This can be especially helpful when you want to brew just the right amount or keep track of how much is left. Another practical feature is the flavor seal lid, designed to keep your coffee fresh and warm for longer periods. The lid fits securely to prevent heat from escaping, preserving the rich aroma and taste you expect from your brew. This makes the carafe not only functional but also efficient at maintaining the quality of your coffee. Cleaning this carafe is straightforward, as it is top-rack dishwasher safe. You don't have to worry about hand washing or delicate care, which is a big plus for busy mornings or office settings. However, it is important to avoid harsh abrasive cleaners or rough handling, as the glass, while sturdy, should be treated with care to prevent cracks or damage. In terms of size, the carafe measures about 8.5 inches wide and just over 7 inches tall, making it a compact fit for most Mr. Coffee machines. It weighs approximately 1.2 pounds, which adds to its stability without being too heavy to handle comfortably. Manufactured by Mr. Coffee and made in China, this replacement carafe offers a balance of quality and affordability. Whether your original coffee pot has cracked or you just want a spare, this carafe provides a simple and effective solution. In summary, the Mr. Coffee 12-Cup Replacement Carafe is a well-designed, practical accessory for your coffee machine. Its thoughtful features such as the easy pour spout, ergonomic handle, cup markings, and flavor seal lid combine to enhance your coffee experience. Plus, its dishwasher-safe glass makes cleanup a breeze. If you're in the market for a reliable replacement carafe that fits seamlessly with your Mr. Coffee 12-Cup machine, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.